Is it the right time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? In this video, we will be providing you with a comprehensive analysis of the VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 20, 2023. Now, we are here to delve even deeper into the details. To ensure that you never miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Stay updated with our latest analysis. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.00. Now, let's take a closer look at how the stock has performed during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 7.68%. In other words, it has delivered an average daily return of 0.23% since being labeled as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase in the future. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 11.27% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 4.37% to 13.55%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential 16.18% change over the next year, with a return ranging from 4.37% to 18.43%. This would result in a price range of $448.88 to $509.37 after 1 year. In our latest update on VOO, we have an important headline: Red Day on Wednesday for VOO ETF after a decline of 1.85%. On Wednesday, December 20, 2023, the price of the VOO ETF dropped by 1.85%, going from $438.19 to $430.10. Throughout the trading day, the ETF had a fluctuation of 1.72%, reaching a low of $429.91 and a high of $437.31. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has increased by 2.93% and has experienced a rise in 8 out of the last 10 days. Although the volume of shares increased by 1 million on the last day, it happened during a decline in prices. This might be an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, around 5 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.24 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $438.22, while the lowest price was $344.34. At present, the price is 1.85% or $8.12 below the 52-week high, and 2.53% or $11.16 below the all-time high achieved on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $441.26. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for VOO, an ETF. On Tuesday, December 19, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, causing a decline of -1.85% in VOO. It is likely to fall further until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, a sell signal is currently in effect from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased when prices were falling, which could be an early warning sign. It is important to closely monitor the ETF. However, there are also some positive signals that may impact its short-term development. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. As the short-term average is higher than the long-term average, the overall signal for the ETF is buy, suggesting a positive forecast. If the ETF continues to rise, it will face resistance at around $432.79 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support at approximately $416.24 from the long-term average. Breaking above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, January 9, 2023. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line intersect in a rare combination. It is often followed by significant gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator shows a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 31 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average suggests a buy signal 35 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for VOO. Let's start with support. VOO currently has a strong support level at $412.23. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, it's likely to bounce back up. So, if you're looking for a buying opportunity, this could be it. Moving on to risk. VOO is known for its controlled movements and high liquidity. This makes the risk associated with this stock quite low. In fact, the ETF only had a price range of $7.39 or 1.72% between its high and low in the last day. And on average, it has a daily volatility of 0.82% over the past week. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for VOO. If there's an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $432.34. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. If you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $412.23. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. We recommend setting the stop-loss at $415.47, which represents a decrease of 3.4%. This specific ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred just 1 day ago. Is VOO ETF a good investment option? While there are some negative signals and indicators affecting its short-term development, we believe there is a potential buying opportunity at the current level. Over time, we anticipate the price to increase, possibly by the end of this 3-month period. Our analysis of volatility and recent trading movement suggests that the current price is undervalued. For Thursday, December 21st, we expect VOO to open up by $2.34, starting trading at $432.44. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock and hear your thoughts. Whether you agree or disagree, we encourage you to comment below and join the conversation. We're also curious to know what your target is for the ETF. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future content. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.